Now more than ever, companies must comply with constantly changing laws and regulations. If they don't, they risk significant fines and penalties, not to mention lost revenue and reputation. Data privacy is at the center of a lot of laws, like SOX, HIPAA, and the European Union's new GDPR. But complying isn't a one-time thing. There are new regulations and updates all the time. That means data privacy and security need to be handled strategically. Important? You bet. You need to do it right to earn the trust of your customers and to avoid fines and penalties that could hurt your business. Fortunately, CA has a unique solution that could help. Here's how. Wherever your data lies, you need to make sure it's secure, particularly if it's subject to compliance. So number one, that calls for CA Privileged Access Management. It lets you continually monitor privileged user accounts, assess risk, and detect malicious activity. In the unlikely event a breach does occur, you'll have the forensics to report with confidence. CA Data Content Discovery can help you find, classify, and protect the sensitive data on your mainframe. Even data you may not know is there. 70% of all corporate data resides on a mainframe, so, that's critical. And you can get this only from CA. What about testing in pre-production systems? Also critical. Because you don't want personal data to accidentally proliferate across your systems, do you? CA Test Data Manager's job is to help you mask sensitive data in your test databases. It also creates synthetic test data with no personal information, so you can reduce your risk profile under privacy regulations like the GDPR. Regulations have all kinds of impact all over your company. To keep track, CA Project and Portfolio Management gives you visibility over projects, processes, and resources, helping you meet regulatory goals across your IT and business portfolio. Compliance is key to competing in the application economy. With CA Solutions, you'll know what you have, where it is, and how to protect it, so you won't be sorry.